So I am at my daughter's school. She is a 6th grader and this is her last year in public school. She did ask to be homeschooled, so I am on my way to turn in the letter to withdraw her from school. It is a little nerve-wracking. One, because I was a teen mom to start off, and I never thought that I would be able to do something like this for her, like homeschool her in the future. That was never brought up, never introduced, none of that. But here we are, about to turn it in. I have a copy because they said just to have a copy, write down the name of who you gave it to, just for records. I do have it written out, the withdrawal, with a stamp in a letter, sealed away. So we're gonna see how that goes. But yeah, it is nerve-wracking because this is something I never thought we'd do. She did request it. It's not me. I didn't say, oh, we're gonna pull you out, this and that. No, she requested to be homeschooled because she saw it was an option for her little brother. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how that goes.